Just a short video on the rigid 12-foot boat that is for sale in Cape Coral, Florida. Pop-up cleats, got your running lights, there is a cover that goes over the boat, fuel fill, center console, seat cushions are in super condition. There is a vinyl floor in the boat. This is a cooler with a backrest. Got an arch with spreader lights and anchor light. Garmin GPS. New battery with battery switch. Boat's got a super nice shine on it. Trailer's in good condition. Evinrude engine, runs like a charm. We do have a video of that also running. Got rod holders, water separator, backrest is removable, more rod holders, dive ladder. Boat's got a super shine on it. Nice trailer. Fun little boat.